Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to discuss a common problem that Windows 11 users might encounter while trying to capture screenshots using the snipping tool. The problem arises when attempting to capture a browser page showcasing a hover effect. The expectation is to have a delay before the screenshot is taken to ensure the hover effect is captured, but instead, the screenshot is captured immediately after drawing the selection, making it impossible to capture the desired effect. Let's dive into the solution to this frustrating problem. The solution lies in following the correct steps as described by Microsoft for using the snipping tool to capture screenshots. First, you need to identify the menu or components you want to capture. Then, in the snipping tool, select Delay and choose a countdown time, for example, 5 seconds. Next, select Mode to initiate the countdown. Within the given time, open the menu or set up your image. When the screen turns gray at the end of the countdown, use your mouse to draw around the area you wish to capture. This method ensures that you can capture the hover effect successfully without any issues. To wrap it up, we've learned the correct way to capture screenshots with the snipping tool on Windows 11, resolving the problem of missing hover effects in our captures. Remember to follow the steps carefully to achieve the desired results. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tech problems you'd like us to tackle next. Happy screenshotting!